firstly, if you see the active cases, right? Mumbai has already been seeing a fall for the last few days. Maharashtra is already starting to see a fall, although Maharashtra has decided or is in the process of deciding whether they should extend the lockdown for the next 2 weeks. But I think this not going for a knee-jerk national lockdown of the type that you saw last year, I think is the only thing that the businesses want or the economy needs. So I think some of these things that we've done in the past, see, do we need to have some of these gala, big festival celebrations in the country? Do we need to see these matches in a stadium together, 60,000 of us? I think those we don't need. Do we need the national lockdowns? We don't need them. Do we need the local lockdowns? Yes, we need them. They are very effective, right? So now I think governments have become very sensible and cognizant based on the experience of the first wave. So today you have Maharashtra, which clamped down much earlier than some of the other states, right? Within Maharashtra, you will see potentially opening up in certain cities where things are better. So you're likely to see very localized response, which basically means that you are not going to clamp down the entire country, which basically means that you will have pockets where you can companies can focus on growing when some other pockets are adversely impacted. So this is going to be, I would say, much less adverse from a corporate profitability point of view or from a growth point of view. Yes, I mean, Moody's can choose to, firstly, don't bother about what Moody's is doing. Moody's will take their growth up and down 5 times, it doesn't matter. The reality is that there's strong liquidity in the system. The government is pursuing an expansionary fiscal policy. Companies are busy cutting their costs. Companies have a lot of playbook. There are 30 states in India. Not all 30 are getting locked down. So you have a lot of play to figure out how to manage growth, right, during this time period. I mean, look at auto companies, for example. They have to shut down their factory for a certain number of days for maintenance and upkeep during the year. They're using this lockdown to do their maintenance work upfront, to fast track their expansion, right? Their inventories have got depleted. So what I'm only trying to tell you is that there are so many moving parts, right? Where when there is an adversity, there's a response to that adversity by the corporate sector, right? Like preponing your maintenance, right? Focusing on putting your expansion in place, becoming better, training your teams, right? And a whole bunch. So I'm just trying to tell you that there's a lot of response mechanism, right? That the corporates are seeing. And so this time around, things will bounce back much faster and the impact will be much lesser.